Made AI Honest Review. So, this app that markets itself as an AI companion built for real emotional connection. Offers chat-based interactions, customizable personalities, and even voice responses, claiming to reduce the loneliness. But in practice, does it actually help feel users connected? So, let's start with the idea. It uses a conversational AI model that learns your preferences and memories over time. At first, the illusion of companionship feels real. Conversations flow naturally, and the app even remembers small personal details. But after extended use, patterns repeat, emotional depth stalls, and the responses start feeling algorithmic rather than human. In surveys and online discussions, about 90% of Mate AI users reported still feeling lonely after the regular use of this app, showing that digital empathy is not the same as real human connection. Worse, some users become emotionally dependent using the AI as a comfort loop rather than a bridge to real relationships. The pros of the app is that it has intuitive design, empathetic tone, and fun short-term novelty. The cons is that it has shallow long-term interactions, emotional detachment, and potential for dependence. So, for final verdict, Mate AI is more of a clever emotional simulator than a real substitute for connections. It can temporarily ease your loneliness, but it shouldn't replace genuine human contact. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.